Yeah, recording on. Okay. So let's take the script of Saturn now. Where is Saturn seated? Fourth house. So 4 आ गया. Saturn rules which rashis? 10th Rashi and 11th Rashi. Which houses are those? 6th and 7th. बराबर? So this is the base script of what is it called? Base script of the planet. Okay. Now let's go to a little advanced level. And this is where many astrologers make a mistake because they are not aware of what are called as hidden houses. Okay. What are hidden? आप पर ऋषिकेश पण गेला काय? आहे इकडे. आहे ना? हाँ, okay. 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 So basically, what are hidden houses? Let us try to understand. Let us say that this fellow's Saturn Dasha is on. Okay. And let us say, for discussion's sake, just now, let's not look at the nakshatra lord or anything. Let us say Saturn kya kya de raha hai, isko let us see. So Saturn, as per our basic thing, is showing 4, 6, 7. Barabar? So we are saying that Saturn will give the result of 4th house, 6th house, and 7th house. Are you understanding what are you understanding what I'm saying? It is giving the result of 4th house, 6th house, and 7th house. Now, if this person asks you, will I be in this dasha of Saturn, which is going to be 7.5 years? If this person asks you, am I going to be traveling? For traveling, you need houses 3, 9, 12, if you remember. 3 short travel, 9th is overseas travel, 12th is overseas travel and settling. Barabar? Or if he asks you, am I going to be writing a book? Am I going to be going to do a publication, book publication? So you will say no, because I need 3 over there. इसमें 3 नहीं दिख रहे. You will say that something related to your mother, your car, or your luxuries will happen. Something related to your job or your litigations or your illness will happen. Something related to your business or your partner or your spouse will happen, but nothing related to travel. And then this fellow travels, and then he will come and say, you are not predicting correctly. So for that, you need to see the hidden houses. What is a hidden house? If you remember, I told you that the cuspal sublord of a house gives the result, is the in charge of the house. If you remember those 5 things which I told you, bomb padega to kya phutne wala hai, usme ka cuspal sublord was the atma of the house. I told you it is the soul of the house. So cuspal sublord is basically seen here. अभी इस पे cuspal sublord में, do you see Saturn anywhere? No. बराबर? नहीं, इधर 12th house है ना, ये क्या? 12th house is Saturn.
Well,
बराबर? 12th house means what? Overseas travel. So his question was, am I going to go overseas travel? इसमें देखा तो you will say no, you're not going to travel overseas because neither is 6 there, nor is 9. No, 3 is not there, 9 is not there, 12 is not there. Where does the 12 come? Here. 12th cuspal sublord, lord of the 12th house. He will have foreign travel. Alternatively, okay, though it's a little complex thing, but I'll tell him, let's look at very simple. He'll say, am I going to get hospitalized? He'll say, no, 4 is basically home atmosphere, cars, everything. 6th is small illness. 8th house at least you can say is a bigger illness, but 6th house is small illness, sardi, kasi, pet bigda, whatever. 7th is related to business. There are hospitalization nahi hai. When you see the cuspal sublord and it shows 12th house, 12 if you remember is isolation, which can mean jail, which can mean hospitalization, which can mean going and settling abroad far away from your family on your own. So इधर उसका hospitalization कहाँ जाता है? So basically you need to see the Kaspal sublord and the Kaspal Nakshatra lord, if it is there amongst that. So iske liye, if you see the script over here, now let me zoom in over here so that you can see better. Zoom into the script. Okay. So can you see this one? I'll need to take it slightly. Okay. So let's look at Saturn now. Saturn is seated in the fourth house. Saturn is ruling sixth and seventh house. अभी इसमें देखो पहले, first you see in, sorry, Kaspal sublord पहले देखो. इसमें Saturn किधर है? इधर है. Oh, Saturn was in 3. Sorry, Magashi, I think we saw the Nakshatra Lord ka column. We saw this 12, we saw. I'm sorry, you need to see this first. So Saturn is here. Saturn is here. Correct? So which are these houses? 3 and 9. Then you look at the Nakshatra Lord column. इधर Saturn किधर है? 12th house. So Nakshatra is 12. दिलीप भाई कल्ट है? ऐसा कर. Okay, okay. So basically, if I just draw a line here, this is where it is seated. This is where it is ruling. This is where it is the Kaspal sublord of. This is where it is the Kaspal Nakshatra lord of. These houses are called as hidden houses because they do not come directly in the script. Just by looking at the chart, you will not be able to tell whether this planet is associated with that specific house or not. समझ में आ रहा है सबको? If anyone has not understood, just unmute and talk. Otherwise, I'll presume you have understood. These are the hidden houses. Now, these houses are not seen directly, so person overlooks it. And when you overlook it, you do not understand that this is going to happen in your life. So let us say we are talking about this person, whosoever it is. Okay. उसका अभी कौन सा दशा चल रहा है? सैटर्न का दशा चल रहा है. ओके. सो सैटर्न का दशा, सैटर्न का ये किधर गया? सैटर्न का नक्षत्र लॉर्ड कौन है? मर्क्यूरी है. सैटर्न का ये साइन इज टेलिंग मी दैट इट इज अनटेनेंटेड. सो सैटर्न का itself will give the result first. Mercury will give the result second. बराबर. So now if I mark what Saturn is giving, Saturn is going to give him worth 4, 3, 9, 12, 6, 7. At this point, understand one thing. This is the hierarchy of the potency from, let's say, 10 to 0 or 10 to 1 पकड़ लो. म्हणजे where it is seated, that house का potency is the most. Where it is the Kaspal sublord of 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever houses, उसका potency is second. Where it is the Kaspal Nakshatra lord of, the potency is third, lower. So where it is seated, where it is the Kaspal sublord of, where it is the Kaspal Nakshatra lord of, and where it is ruling is the lowest. Earlier when we were just looking at 4 and 6, 7 and we are saying 4, 6, 7 it is going to give the result of. It will give the result of 4, 6, 7, but 6, 7 ka result will be very minor. What is 6? Illness, debts, enemies, problems, litigations. So is he going to face that majorly? No. It is at a minor scale. If at all it is an illness, it might be something like maybe some sardi khasi ho gaya or something chota mota ho gaya. Nothing big. Seventh house issues. Will he face some problems with the, it need not be problem, it can be plus or minus either ways. But something related to his business. But in a big way? No, small way. So do you understand how the script expands? So basically, if I were to put it in a nutshell, a script of a planet, this if you want you can write down, is where it is seated, where it is the cuspal sublord of, where it is the cuspal nakshatra lord of, and where it rules, which rashis it rules. Barabar? Pritiban, you're getting it? Yeah. I actually cannot see all of you at one go, so I cannot say, but Trupti Kalte, Bobby, Sujata, all
What
okay?
was the fourth one you said?
It,
Seated, nakshatra lord, sublord, and
which Rashi it rules? जे आपण पहिल्यांदा एकदम बघितलं ना, Venus will rule second Rashi and seventh Rashi. So which house is second Rashi and seventh Rashi is we caught, no? So this is the potency. So this is like saying plus, plus, plus. This will be plus, plus. This will be plus, and this will be maybe small plus, whatever. In simple words, potency or the power of it. So he will experience where it is seated, most effects of that house, little lesser effects of this house, little lesser effects of these house, and very negligible effects of these houses. Okay, all of you can come on the screen if you want for a minute. So this is basically what will tell you what is going to happen. So if you are looking at your script, अच्छा एक ध्यान में रखो, which I have not found in any book, but this is what it is. Your maps का M Mahadasha. If Mahadasha is not showing you promise of an event, what we are seeing here, this is a promise of an event. What you saw that 1, 2, 3, 4, they are called significators, and that is the promise of an event. If it is showing, I will tell you about that in just a minute. But if the Mahadasha is not showing that house, that event won't happen. Or even if it happens, it will happen with great difficulty, or the chances are very low. For example, let us say it is a 20-year का दशा, कोई भी बड़ा planet का 20 years का दशा ऐसा पकड़ो for discussion. This guy is, let us say, 30 years old, and he wants to know whether he is going to get married or not. For married, which is the primary house? 7. 7 is the primary house. There are primary houses and then there are ancillary houses, which I'll tell you in just a minute. So 7 has to be denoted either in the nakshatra level, which is the result, or if it is an untenanted, then it will show in the planet level. If 7 is not signified in the script of the planet or the nakshatra lord, including the hidden houses, there is very, 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 very faint chance that he will get married. Clear? So basically, this is one rule. Then I'll go to the lower thing. If it is not shown at the M level or Dasha level or Mahadasha level M, तो नीचे अगर दिखा भी रहा है ना, तो it will not happen, because you will say अरे वो सूक्ष्म दशा में दिखा रहा है उसकी शादी हो रही है. It will not happen. एक तो सूक्ष्म दशा में हो ही नहीं सकती, 2 दिन में तय होकर शादी होना मुझे very difficult, but I don't know, in today's time anything can happen. But this is what it is. If at the Mahadasha level the promise is not shown, you can almost say with guarantee कि ये चीज होने वाले नहीं. Now, like what I told you in one of the earlier classes, that you have to see the magnitude of that event to understand whether it will happen in the Maha, Antar, Prati or Sukshma Dasha. If we are looking at, let us say, Sardi Khasi, तो ठीक है, वो सूक्ष्म में हो सकता है. सूक्ष्म में हो सकता है तो प्रति अंतर में और महा में भी हो सकता है. But if you are talking about, let us say, getting married, let us say, from scratch, right from looking for the guy or girl to engagement to shadi, it is a question of at least couple of months. तो सूक्ष्म दशा का बात नहीं, 1-2 दिन 3 दिन का बात. So we have to see either, in fact, even Prati Antar Dasha won't do, because that Prati Antar Dasha is a couple of weeks. It's a rare thing. It can happen, of course, but a normal situation पकड़ते. So for a marriage, we will see whether it will happen in the Antardasha, MA, Antardasha, because that is going to give you a span of couple of months. अगर इसमें हो रहा है, तो then ये इसमें मुझे it comes under it, no? So if it is happening in this, इधर नहीं होगा तो कभी भी नहीं होगा, but इधर अगर हो रहा है तो इसके नीचे हो सकता है. मैं whenever it is happening उसके नीचे हो सकता है, इतना ध्यान में रखो. If it is shown in the Antardasha, it can be taken for granted that it can happen in the Prati Antardasha or it can happen in the Sukshma Dasha. But if it is happening in the Antardasha, there is no guarantee that it will happen in the Mahadasha. उसके लिए Mahadasha का देखो. Simple. Okay. So this is what actually I wanted to convey today, is if you want to know what is in store for you, because see what I keep telling you all the time is, rather than predicting कि मेरी शादी कब होगी, मैं कब मिलियनेयर बनूंगा, मेरा ये कब होगा, what टक 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 टक, उससे अच्छा see what is happening today with you, what is planned for you, what is your battlefield like, how your soldiers are positioned, and move along with them. Today, if your dasha is telling you कि boss तेरी शादी होने वाली नहीं है, that doesn't mean कि आप हाथ वैसा ऊपर के बैठो. You do your efforts, but understand that is not going to happen. You can do your efforts, but it will not happen. So today, whatever your Maha, Antar, Prati and Sukshma dasha are showing you, if you understand and move along with it, you will be a happy person. On this point, let me tell you another thing which I've told a couple of you guys, but I'll tell you in general. When we talk, if you remember in the Potlika lecture, I told you each house has got significations. Like we just now we said, third house is related to publication, communication, short travel, younger siblings, all the significance. Each house has got 250 to 300 significations. अभी ये clearly ध्यान में रखो. This is in a way destiny management. Let us say a person's 8th house has got active. 8th house is what? House of obstacles, house of accidents, house of operations, every possible obstacle. पीड़ा का घर बोलते हैं. That is 8th house. Okay. If his 8th house is on, that means some activity related to 8th house is going to start off. Barabar? Vice versa, you can look at it in a different way. Suppose somebody's, let's say, knee has got fractured. That means his 10th house has got activated. And at a later stage, I will tell you, if you remember, I told you I have made that chart of 54,000 options. That will tell you the moment this fellow's knee got damaged, within a question of a week or a fortnight, something could have happened to his mother, something could have happened to his father, something could have happened to his elder brother, something could have happened to his younger sister, because they are all related. When your first house is activated, the 4th house that is the 4th house of your mother. Or if you look at it the other way, when your 4th house get activated, that is the 1st house of your mother. 1st house of the mother is the health of the mother, the vitality of the mother, character, whatever, so many things. So that has got affected, plus or minus. Something, let us say your thigh has got injured. Maybe which house of yours has got activated? 9th house. 9th house has got activated. That is the 1st house of the father. So something related to the father will happen. If your 6th house has got affected, that is the 11th house of the father. So some gain he might have got. So that is another thing which I'll take it up at a little later date. But what I want to tell you now is a very important thing. Jara, understand this. This is house activation. Okay, and it is destiny management. Let us say a person's 8th house has got activated because of whatever reasons. He is going to be subjugated to all the facilities regarding 8th house. Barabar? Okay. Now, imagine one scene very clearly. Okay. That, let us say you are taken to a room and a door is opened and you are told, "Ki boss, go inside. There are so many fruits and so many vegetables. Pick up any one item and come out." Okay, understand this very clearly. This is destiny management told in my way in a very simple form. You go inside and come out with a sadela apple, rotten apple. What has come in your control? Rotten apple. You have selected to take the rotten apple, or involuntarily the rotten apple was thrown at you, you catch it and come outside. Voluntary, involuntary. Some, okay. You come out and I tell you, boss, there is a ripe pineapple over there. Why have you come out with a sadela apple? So you go in over there voluntarily, you put the sadela apple back, take the ripe pineapple or whatever, and you come out. So now what is in your hands? A ripe pineapple. This is destiny management. If you understand which house of yours is activated and what problems it is causing you, start doing another activity of that house. तुम्हारा नसीब में क्या वो हाउस का भोगना है, कैसे भोगना है, कितना भोगना है, किस तरह से भोगना है, is in your control. So you go in the eighth house. Now eighth house and sixth house, actually the options are very less. Eighth house, the options for this is research work, astrology or occult, and investments in the form of, you know, like PPF and ये वो जैसे वो रहते हैं, वो type of insurance and all those things. So if you start, I'm not saying leave everything and start doing astrology, but if you start doing astrology every day for 15 days, 15 minutes at least, or you do some research, or they say even if you watch National Geographic every day for 15 minutes, that gets activated. Then there are certain activities, okay, I will share this with you later on, where it is part of some scriptures. Like for example, 8th house activation, it's a funny thing, there is no logic to it, but this works. Like going to a CBI ka office environment, or going to a casino ka environment, okay, or going to, in fact they say even STP, which is sewage treatment plant. When you go to these areas, that house gets activated. Now actually 8th house is a wrong example, because 8th house you should not try this, but let me take a simple example. Let me take off a 7th house. Suppose शादी नहीं हो रही है, something else happening, you want to activate 7th house. So 7th house activation zones are going to something like Crawford Market, Sabzi Mandi Market, wholesale market, okay, marriage hall. So if you go to that place, that house gets activated. That is one part. Coming back to what I was telling you earlier about that rotten apple and this thing, if let us say your 8th house is active, you realize by whatever reasons, and you don't want obviously the obstacles, but तुम्हारे नसीब में है कि 8वें घर की घंटी बजानी है तुमको. So what will you do? You start doing research. You start getting into astrology. You start doing some investment ka things like taking people ka LIC, getting that done, or whatever that is. So तुमने 8वें घर की घंटी बजा रही, तुम्हारा proxy लग गया उधर present. At a little advanced stage, I will tell you more things. Like suppose if you realize that your 4 and 8 has got active on that day, 4 is vehicle, 8 is accident. So if accident is anticipated on that day, and you can sort of understand that. If you just take your car and give a little bit of tuck like that to a wall, your proxy has been marked. Accident हो भी जाएगा तो भी scratch हो जाएगा, nothing beyond that. You understand? This is in a way destiny management. So coming back to square one where we started off with, if you understand the script of a planet, if you realize all those things which I've given you, top right ka thing you must not have understood till today, because that is not part of any software, that is not part of any book. This is assimilated from different sources and it has come to this, and I have put it over there, which I've taught you today. So where a planet is seated and where it rules is the topmost and the bottommost part of it. Where it is the cuspal sublord of whichever houses, and whichever houses it is the cuspal nakshatra lord of, the third column and the second column. That is the potency of that. There is a little advancing of this, but that I'm not getting it just now. So what you can do is, I don't know whether I've given all of you your chart, but jiska bhi nahi hai, I will give it tomorrow. So just see, and what you have to do is now everything you have to do is research and observation. कि if you realize कि तुम्हारे सूक्ष्म दशा which is for the next 10 days is showing you these houses, just see if you're experiencing that. No? Just not just flow with the tide. Don't try to manipulate your destiny or anything. You cannot do that. You cannot manipulate your destiny anyways, but you can control it to some extent. And usme also one question will come to your mind कि then what, I can lead a life without any issue. नहीं, there is some fixed will and there is some free will. जो fixed will है वो तुम कुछ नहीं कर सकते, झक मार के you have to bear with it. But your free will है, you can manipulate it this way and go on. This thing is going to go off in 10 minutes. We can come back again if you want. Are we all clear on this? Any difficulty so far? So basically, just to summarize, two things only you have to know. Observe the maps. Observe the maps ka nakshatra lords. So which planets are there in maps and which planet ka nakshatra lords hai. वो देख लो, those are the ones which are active for you. If a planet is untenanted, that means it is not seen in the nakshatra lord ka column. That will give the result first, and then its nakshatra lord will give the result. This is part one. Second part, make the script of the planet, where first is where it is seated, last is where it is ruling, second powerful is where it is the cuspal sublord, third where it is the nakshatra lord. Bas, this is what you are going to experience. You all can unmute yourself and talk. Now I have finished my talk.
Wonderfully explained, Manish. Just loved it.
Thank you.
I just have want to ask you one thing. This you just said that if it is untenanted, that is, it's not seen in the nakshatra lord. That
Column.
means
In the nakshatra lord column. See, without getting without getting into technicality, what I told you is, for the time being, till it seeps into you, और नक्षत्र लॉर्ड, see, you have a planet, then उसके बाद में राशि लॉर्ड रहता है, नक्षत्र लॉर्ड रहता है, सब लॉर्ड रहता है, सब लॉर्ड रहता है. तो नक्षत्र लॉर्ड के कॉलम में सपोज सैटर्न है और वो किधर भी नहीं दिख रहा है इन द नक्षत्र लॉर्ड कॉलम, that means it is untenanted. That means it will give its own result.
okay.
Preeti, when you were saying something?
Yeah,
Huh.
it's not related to this question,
Huh.
but many times Swami would say something like this.
हाँ.
For example, Manish आया है, उसको बोलो स्कूल का किसका फी भर दो,
हाँ.
और इसको बोलो हॉस्पिटल में जाके किसी का बिल पे करो.
Correct.
But this is exactly what was happening. I just suddenly could see 100 experiences like that. So I was smiling all the time. Yeah, I know what you're talking about. Exactly, this is what used to happen. It was something so unusual. Isko pav vada khila ke dena means feed somebody. What it meant was something like that.
Yeah.
And I just couldn't understand what is a correlationship. But here, like the penny fell in the slot.
There are so many things. Like for example, now I've made some notations also which I'll share with you after I've experimented. See, for example, activation of the fifth Rashi, which is the Leo Rashi. They say that you go and visit a forest area. Okay. If you want to activate a Venus Rashi, that is 2 or 7, go to a market area shopping mall, which I just told you some time back. Go to a wholesale market order. Mercury, which is 3 and 6. They are saying you go into a basically like a greenery area or like a library area, so in that atmosphere. Basically, क्या रहता है? These atmospheres are there, no? They actually initiate some sort of an energy. I do not have the answer to this. I cannot answer beyond this, but basically, it's a simple thing which you must have experienced in your life all the time, but which we never, sort of took note of. Okay, you go to some place and you are very happy without reason. You feel very nice. At the same time, you go to some place and you are very uneasy, and you have no answer to that. बराबर, प्रीतिवन बराबर है कि नहीं?
Absolutely.
So basically, there is some energy which is, pushing you this way or that way. That energy is in a way shown by the planets.
Yeah.
That energy is shown by the items in the house which we have discussed. The Mercury hai, plant hai, Mercury, like Prithiben that day I told you, that plants in your house, green plant, Mercury problem create kare. Move it and it goes. Like I cited my own example about a gas cylinder. इधर था निकाला बूम करके in 15 minutes that toothache was gone. So finally, what it all boils down to planets, which I told in that lecture which we had where everybody had come. That this is your battlefield, these are your soldiers. Understand the SWOT analysis of your battlefield, understand the positioning of your planets, and flow along with them rather than in a confrontation mode. It's as simple as that. Okay, so these are all the things. Like if you have to Saturn, then you have to go to a cold storage area or this thing. Mars, go to some area where physical activity goes on, like a gym, a police station, a fire brigade station. That atmosphere brings the Mars in you alive. And if you want to activate your Mars, you have to do that. Okay, so different things. Suppose abhi, let us say job nahi ho raha hai, jobs ka problem hai. That means your sixth house is dormant or buch laga hai usko. First of all, find out whether your sixth house is active in the maps and the nakshatra lord level. If it is on and still your problems are happening, that means that there is some, it has not got enough activation or power kam hai uska, battery level down ho gaya. Then go and do sixth thing is going to a garden. Go and take walks in the garden every morning. Some sort of exercise also this thing. Your sixth house will get active. Okay. Anyone has to say anything, you can unmute yourself and talk. Rishikesh, किती bumper गेलं? All new words for you.
पण ते चार्ट तर काय मला कळला नाही कसा हे करायचं रीड करायचं बिकॉज तिकडे लिहिलंय नंबर त्याचा काहीतरी वेगळाच नंबर असतो बट ओव्हरऑल इंटरेस्टिंग वाटतंय खूप आणि
that number now basically that's what I told you in the morning also. That course which I conducted with these people and which I want to conduct with you is the ABCD of astrology. If you do not understand ABCD, you cannot create poetry. It's as simple as that. And problem what happens in most classes is that they start off by William Wordsworth ने क्या बोला और ये क्या बोला. And Renan Martin का ABCD कोई सिखाता नहीं है और cursive handwriting नहीं सिखाता है. And that leads to double confusion. And they may be teaching with good intentions to give you more information. But more information is also damaging. Like is less this thing. So that is why that course which I was telling you when you asked me, that is the thing which I have done with these people. So ABCD. There are only three things you have to understand. वो हो गया तो तुम्हारा सब काम हो गया. Rashi, house and planets. Okay. Now, do you all want to take a case study or you all are tired? It's 10:30. वो case देखना है क्या toothache का?
Yeah, we'll take.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's going to go off in 2 minutes. So till 2 minutes, general time pass karo. Then after 2 minutes, it will go. Then.
Yeah.
So we'll take that case. That was a case of one of.
Recording करतोय सगळे.
Recording चालू आहे.
But where you are posting them, you're not sharing the links.
अरे all links whatever.
सगळ्याच्या लिंक आहेत आपल्या याच्यावर.
I mean, lots of the messages, I think I miss it out then.
You are busy with other messages, so you don't. हम लोग गरीबों के message तुम देखते नहीं हैं.
In this group only, lots of the messages. So maybe.
So Manish, this you were telling those 54,000 or whatever n number of the send us a PDF or something so we
What
can.
I do is, when we come on to the thing, no, I just show you to you first on the screen. I don't want to give it just now because it will be pumping in unnecessary information which will be out of it. I will 101% give it, but I'll give it at the right time. So just now I will demonstrate to you what I've done over there and how to use it.
Right.
Like each house car, I think I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, around 15 additional prongs which are coming out. So if you look at house number 1, there are 15 avenues multiplied by 250 options. So I will explain that to you and I will give you the PDF also. But as of now, I don't think you should use it because it might make things a little confusing. Okay, it's going to shut off now. I will.
Yeah.
In the meantime,
We'll re-log in. Let's do
relog
that.
it. Till then, I'll just identify where I've kept it also.
Yeah.
You're okay ना? I said कि I'll share it later. नहीं तो ऐसा बुरा नहीं मानना.
No, anything.
नहीं.
हमारा जरा फाउंडेशन पहले पक्का हो जाए
No.
बाद में ऊपर का देखते जाएंगे अपन बिकॉज फाउंडेशन अभी तक पक्का नहीं हुआ है.
No, Bobby, I was
Architect से
just
हम लोग-
asking him this for a simple reason कि वो हमेशा स्वामी बोलते हैं ना इसको ये करो वो करो. I wanted to like like now I want to coordinate and see.
I will show you that. I've already opened it. Once we log in back in first, I'll show you that. ऐसा कभी लैंड हो रहा है, ऐसा विमान देखते वैसे हो रहा है कभी